Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make terminal powerful and easy to use. Let's jump in. At the first we need to install OhMyZSH. Let's do it. Click install. Copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Hit enter to install. After the install, we should go into the user path. You can find .ZSH-RC. Open it by any editor. If you don't see the previous configuration, you can find it in another file. On the user directory you can find another file .zshrc.pre and open it, and you can see the previous configuration for your terminal, and copy it and paste it to the .zshrc. I disabled the default ZSH theme, and let's uncomment the theme and enable it. To enable, type source build.zshrc and hit enter. So we can see the new theme in the terminal. Okay, and if you want to use a powerful theme for OhMyZSH, I'm using PowerLevel10K. Then Google it and open the GitHub page. I believe this is a beautiful theme for terminal. Click on getting started, and at the first we need to install a font. Click this font to download and install it. I already downloaded it and install it. Let's back, and after that install the theme package. Copy this command and paste it, hit enter. After install it, we should open the settings, going to profiles and change the font, select all font, and find the font we installed, select it and close. We should refresh the setting with this command. Okay, that's it, and the PowerLevel10K is work fine, pretty nice. Let's change some configuration. I want this row to be shorter. To do that, open .p10k file and search it for this. Command this line and uncomment the above line. Save it and close. Run this command to refresh, and that's it. You can see the above road is shorter to like this. Pretty nice. If you want to change P10K configuration, please copy this command and paste it in terminal. Hit Y. Hit Y for yes. Yes again. And yes. The prompt style, I want to choose 3. Character set 1. Show current time no. 1 for this. And 1 again. And 1 again. For this number 1. And 1 again. And prompt spacing, I choose number 2. And for icons, I'd like few icons. And for this, hit 1. And for this, I choose no. And 1 for this. Yes for override. Pretty nice. The configuration is finished. I wanna install 2 packages, and that's called ZSH syntax highlighting and ZSH-AutoSuggestion. The highlight plugin makes it helpful when typing Git, for example. It's green if Git is installed, and red if it is not. And the auto suggestion is a pretty cool plugin. Let's install them. After install these packages, we should update the ZSH-RC file and search it for plugin and add these plugins, and after that we should type source.zsh to update and refresh configuration.